How earbuds can damage our ears. Are earphones harmful? Earbuds and earphones are incredibly convenient, but using them improperly or excessively can harm your ears. Here's how. 1. Exposure to loud sounds. 1. Prolonged high volume. Listening to music or other audio at high volumes for long periods can damage the sensitive hair cells in your inner ear, leading to noise-induced hearing loss. 2. Sound pressure. Earbuds sit close to your eardrum, increasing the intensity of sound exposure compared to over-ear headphones. 2. Lack of ventilation. 1. Ear canal blockage. Earbuds block airflow in your ear canal, creating a moist environment. 1. This can increase the risk of ear infections due to bacteria or fungi growth. 3. Continuous use. 1. Hearing fatigue. Extended use without breaks can strain your auditory system, making your ears less sensitive over time. 2. Unnoticed damage. Early signs of hearing damage are often subtle, so by the time you notice, significant harm may have occurred. 4. Improper fit. 1. Pressure and irritation. Poorly fitting earbuds can cause discomfort or even pain over time. 2. Noise isolation issues. If the earbuds don't fit well, users may increase the volume to compensate for background noise, which worsens the risk. Tips to protect your ears. 1. Follow the 60-60th rule. Limit your listening to 60 minutes at a time and keep the volume below 60% of the maximum. 2. Use noise-canceling earphones. These reduce the need to increase volume in noisy environments. 3. Take breaks. Allow your ears to rest by taking regular breaks. 4. Choose over-ear headphones. These are generally safer as they sit farther from the eardrum. 5. Clean earbuds regularly. Prevent infections by keeping your earbuds clean. Bottom line. Earbuds and earphones are not inherently harmful, but misuse can lead to temporary or even permanent hearing damage. Being mindful of volume levels and usage habits can keep your ears healthy for the long term.